It's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. I am currently starving. It is lunchtime, so today I'm going to share with you my very quick recipe for Pesto Paneer Naanza. That is right, we are going to be making pizza with store-bought naan, which is such a great swap. It saves you the trouble of making a dough, and trust me when I say it crisps up beautifully in the oven. Today we're going to be topping off our Naanza with a creamy garlic sauce, pesto paneer, a ton of cheese. When it comes out of the oven, it's going to be crispy, tender, gooey, all that great stuff, and it'll come together in under 15 minutes, which is absolutely amazing. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you gotta do is click the info box under this video and everything you need is there. Let's go make a Naanza. Now let's talk paneer. If you've never had paneer before, all that it is Indian fresh pressed cheese. It's similar to pressed ricotta or cottage cheese. It has a firm texture, a milky flavor, and absolutely no salt in it. You can buy it at the grocery store, or heck, you can even make your own with only 2 ingredients. I have a recipe on my channel, so go check it out if you want to make it at home. Now all we're gonna do is cube it up into small cubes, and then we're good to go with the next step. Next, we're gonna make a zesty pesto to dress our paneer. So into a blender, I'm gonna add a little bit of basil, a green chili for heat, and garlic, and season up with some cumin, salt, and olive oil. We're gonna give this a whiz until it's nice and smooth and pour it all over the cubed paneer and toss it to coat. I wish you could smell this paneer. The basil, the cumin, the chili are really coming through. And I'm gonna let this hang on the side for a bit. The longer you let it marinate, the more flavorful it will become. And now we're gonna work on our super easy garlic cream sauce. So into this frying pan, I'm going to add a touch of butter, and I'm going to grate in a clove of garlic. Now we're gonna saute this off for about 10 to 15 seconds just to soften the garlic. Next up, I'm going to add some flour. That's going to be our thickening agent. And again, we wanna cook this out until the floury taste of the flour cooks out. So that takes about a minute or so. Next, I'm going to stream in some whole milk. This is gonna serve as the base for our cream sauce, and we're gonna bring this up to the simmer and allow it to completely thicken. Lastly, I'm going to season up with a touch of salt and pepper, and just like that, our easy garlic cream sauce is ready. I've got all my components for the Naanza ready. I've even gone ahead and grated up a little bit of mozzarella. That is our cheese of choice today. Now let's put this guy together. So I'm gonna take my store-bought naan, place it on a lined baking tray, and spread my garlic cream sauce all over. Next, I'm gonna go in with a generous sprinkling of mozzarella cheese. And last but not least, we're gonna go in with those beautiful chunks of pesto paneer. Now this looks so beautiful. I'm gonna pop it into a 450-degree oven, nice and hot, for about 7 to 8 minutes until our naan crisps up, the cheese melts, and it gets nice and gooey. My Naanza is hot out of the oven. It looks so good. It smells even better, you guys. And what I did was sprinkled a little bit of fresh basil over the top, sliced it up, and now it's good to go. I have been waiting for this moment. Oh my gosh, look at all that cheese, the chunks of paneer. Let's go in for the bite. Mmm. Mmm. There is something to be said for pizzas with cream sauces. They have my heart, and this one is no exception. The sauce is so creamy and lush, and those hints of garlic in there pair so well with the pesto. And speaking of the pesto, it is unconventional because it's a little spicy from the chili, earthy from the cumin, and it pairs so well with that milky, bouncy paneer. So the next time that you want pizza in a pinch, consider my Pesto Paneer Naanza. Naan is your best friend. Have it stocked in your pantry, and then you can have pizza whenever you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, request, or anything you want to get off your mind, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you later. Bye.